In this tutorial, we will show you how to download and install the Temu app on your Android device. Temu is an increasingly popular online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products at exceptionally affordable prices. Whether you're looking for electronics, fashion, home goods, or beauty products, Temu could be your go-to destination for great deals and discounts. First, open your Google Play Store app. If you have the latest version of the Google Play Store app, you'll see that the search bar is no longer at the top of the screen. Now, you need to tap the magnifying glass icon located in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Temu and then proceed with the search. Once you do this, you'll see the official Temu app under the name Temu Shop Like a Billionaire. Tap the app name to open the app details page. On the app details page, find the Install button and tap it. Wait a few minutes while the official Temu app downloads and installs on your mobile phone. After the installation is complete, simply tap Open to launch the Temu app and you can start shopping. And that's it. There will be more tutorials related to this app on how to sign in, how to register, how to shop, and much more. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.